Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a blush that brings your cheeks to life with a beautiful glow, today's product might just be what you're looking for. We're diving into the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Dolce Pink. This blush promises to be a radiant addition to your makeup routine, offering a gorgeous pop of color with both matte and shimmery finishes. So what makes this blush stand out in a crowded market of cheek products? Let's explore its features in more detail. The Milani Baked Blush is a highly pigmented, buildable powder that's designed to give you a radiant finish with ease. Whether you're looking for a soft flush of color or something a bit more dramatic, this blush has you covered. It's available in 12 different shades, each carefully crafted to complement various skin tones, and Dolce Pink is a warm, rosy hue that's universally flattering. The product is sun-baked on Italian terracotta tiles, which not only gives it a beautiful texture, but also contributes to the warmth and radiance it delivers when applied. The formula is cruelty-free, so if that's important to you, you can feel good knowing that Milani stands by its commitment to ethical beauty practices. As for the texture, it's silky smooth, making it easy to apply and blend, whether you're after a natural look or something a bit more sculpted. Now, onto my experience with the Milani Baked Blush. I tried it during my daily makeup routine, applying it with a fluffy blush brush starting at the apples of my cheeks as the directions suggest. The buildable formula definitely stood out here. With a couple of light layers, I was able to achieve a soft, natural flush. For a more intense look, a few more swipes added a bold, rosy finish. The texture is smooth and doesn't feel cakey on the skin, which is important for me, especially when wearing blush for extended periods. Performance-wise, I wore this blush throughout a typical workday, and I was impressed with its staying power. It didn't fade or blotch, and the shimmer stayed subtle, just enough to catch the light without making my cheeks look overly sparkly. The matte finish, which I also tried, gave me a soft, velvet-like look that felt perfect for a more understated makeup day. When weighing the pros and cons, there's a lot to like here. The Milani Baked Blush has a smooth, easy-to-apply texture, great pigmentation, and buildability. The variety of shades available is a definite plus, allowing it to suit a wide range of skin tones. On the downside, while I love the blush itself, the shimmer formula might not be ideal for those who prefer a completely matte finish, as it does catch the light a bit more than expected. But if you're into a natural radiance, you won't mind this at all. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. For a drugstore blush, it delivers exceptional quality, lasting power, and versatility. You're not paying a premium price for high-end blush, yet you still get a product that outperforms many mid-range options. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned beauty enthusiast, this blush is an easy-to-use, affordable option that provides a beautiful finish. If you're thinking about alternatives, there are plenty of other blushes on the market, but Milani definitely stands out for its price-to-quality ratio. Some might recommend higher-end products like NARS or Hourglass, but honestly, this drugstore gem can hold its own. If you're looking for something that delivers a similar finish but with a slightly different texture, products from ELF or Maybelline might also be worth considering. The packaging is also sturdy and compact, with a clear lid for easy shade identification, making it great for travel or quick touch-ups on the go. In conclusion, the Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink is a winner in my book. It offers beautiful pigmentation, lasting power, and a natural glow, all at a budget-friendly price point. If you're someone who loves blush with a bit of radiance or a matte finish, this product will not disappoint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check the description box for the link to purchase this product. If you've used the Milani Baked Blush, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.